back to MJ's kitchen. Today I'm gonna make for you some stewed peas and rice, and these are my ingredients. I have here black pepper, salt, pimento seed. I have some coriander, cumin, scallion, garlic and pepper. And today I'm using oxtail, just oxtail. Sometimes they use 2 or 3 different meat. Today I'm just using oxtail. Here's my oxtail, and I'm gonna add let me get my beans. Using kidney beans. Yeah, that's my kidney beans. And I'm gonna put my salt in. Let me see if my light. So I'm adding my oxtail. I'm adding salt and coriander. I'm just eyeballing. Cumin. My pimento. I'm gonna leave the black. Gonna move over here. See my beans. I'm gonna add my garlic to the pot. Then add these together. I'm adding my oxtail. Okay. This is almost finished. Can you see that? Look down. So now we're gonna add our scallion, thyme, pepper, and our black pepper. gonna make some spinach, some little dumplings. This is just flour and water. Like this. Okay, here we go. Stew peas and rice with oxtail and little dumplings in it. So I see you on the next video. Take care. God bless.